Hello everyone, in this video I want to share with you how to crochet a small cubeboard like this. I'm using 2mm yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. You can use thicker yarn for a larger bow or thinner yarn for a smaller one, along with a suitable crochet hook. Start by making a slip knot and chain 16 stitches. Skip one chain and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Continue with single crochet until the end of the row. I'm using the 8 single crochet, but if you are using the V single crochet, you can crochet as usual. The X and V are both single crochet. They just differ slightly in pattern. At the end of the row, chain 1, turn your work and make a single crochet in the chain space. Then continue to the end of the row. Keep doing this until you have completed 12 rows. Now for the ruffle edge, chain 3. Skip one stitch and slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern until you finish 4 edge chain. Cut a long piece of yarn and shell it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.